When it comes to skincare, finding the right products that work for your skin can be a daunting task. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. And let's face it, skincare products can be expensive, but fear not, because there are plenty of affordable options out there that can give you that coveted glowing skin without breaking the bank. One of the best affordable skincare products for glowing skin is a good quality cleanser. Cleansing your skin is the first step in any skincare routine, and it's important to find a gentle yet effective cleanser that will remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Look for a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type, whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin. Another budget-friendly skincare product that can help you achieve glowing skin is a good quality exfoliator. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve the overall texture of your skin. Look for an exfoliator that contains gentle exfoliating ingredients like alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, to help reveal brighter, smoother skin. Moisturizing is another essential step in any skincare routine, and luckily, there are plenty of affordable moisturizers on the market that can help you achieve glowing skin. Look for a moisturizer that is lightweight, non-comedogenic, and contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Moisturizing your skin helps to keep it hydrated, plump, and radiant. In addition to cleansers, exfoliators, and moisturizers, there are plenty of other affordable skincare products that can help you achieve glowing skin. Serums are a great way to target specific skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, fine lines, or acne. Look for serums that contain ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, or retinol to help brighten and even out your skin tone. Another affordable skincare product that can help you achieve glowing skin is a good quality sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sun damage, and even skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and make sure to apply it every day, rain or shine. In addition to using the right skincare products, there are plenty of other things you can do to help achieve glowing skin on a budget. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help nourish your skin from the inside out. Drinking plenty of water and getting enough sleep can also help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. In conclusion, achieving glowing skin doesn't have to cost a fortune. There are plenty of affordable skincare products on the market that can help you achieve radiant, healthy skin without breaking the bank. By incorporating a good quality cleanser, exfoliator, moisturizer, serum, and sunscreen into your skincare routine, along with healthy lifestyle habits, you can achieve that coveted glowing skin you've always dreamed of. So go ahead, treat yourself to some budget-friendly skincare products and watch your skin transform before your eyes.